Welcome back. The tech sphere is sizzling with innovation and transformation. Taking the lead is OutSystems, raising the bar with its low-code platform and AI-powered software development. Picture this: AI proposing enhancements to your code, fortifying security, and cutting project timelines from years to months. Yes, that's Project Morpheus for you. Concurrently, the Cloud 100 list has embraced 16 fresh faces, many harnessing the surge of AI's growth. As AI becomes more readily available and integrative, corporations are rearranging their hierarchies. The rules of the game are altering, and its participants are adapting, with firms like OpenAI and Stripe heading the fundraising initiatives. So, you're a tech junkie, an AI fan, or simply intrigued about what lies ahead. Keep your gaze fixed on the horizon. Artificial intelligence is not merely framing our tomorrow, but it's reforming our present. Welcome aboard the AI era, where the future is happening right now. Stay connected for more bulletins from the edge of tech. Stay in the loop and watch the realm of AI unfold. As we navigate this exciting journey together, we'd love to hear from you. What do you think about the rise of low-code platforms? How do you see AI influencing your life and work? Drop a comment below and let's stir up a conversation. And if you're new here or haven't done it yet, make sure to like and click the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our future updates. Also, if you found this video insightful, give us a thumbs up, comment, and share with your friends. And as always, thank you for watching Artificially AI. Keep exploring, keep learning, and stay tuned for more from the edge of AI tech.